how to install Google Maps on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, whether iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to install the Google Maps application as your third-party maps, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To do this, go ahead and open the App Store. Then once the App Store opens, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right. Then come here and search for Google Maps. Then click on it. Hang on while the Google Maps page opens, then locate Maps and click on it. Then tap the Get button to download and install the Google Maps app on your iPhone. In some cases, you may be asked to press the Start button twice or confirm installing app on your iPhone with your Apple ID account. So just go ahead, type in your Apple ID password, and once you type in your Apple ID password, then you should see the Google Maps app installing, and this might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. Then once the installation process is completed, you can just go ahead, open the Google Maps app, and then there you go. Then choose a port that says allow once, allow while using app, and don't allow. Then that is it. So that is basically how to install Google Maps on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.